Hey, it's Sunday. I can't take you to the big board today, and I'm not gonna probably work anything in the shop because we had 90-mile-an-hour winds last night. You've seen this fifth wheel in the background, and it's where my daughter and son-in-law have been staying as they save up for a house. They're young people, and fortunately they did make it out, made it over to world headquarters. We're safe in our metal buildings, but there's no going back here. We're gonna try and get some stuff out. This is a 100-year-old tree right here, and it just got uprooted. Just crazy. So that's gonna be the end of that one. We haven't figured out what we're gonna do yet, but we're okay. That's the thing. Everybody's healthy, and we'll recover from this. It's gonna be a bump in the road for them. Just put the shed up yesterday. It's laying down there. Over there at Russ's house, he escaped with no damage. A little bit, you know, just some skirting down there in his brand new house. Kids trampoline really beat that tree up. But yeah, the shed just went up yesterday, and it ran into that little Shasta we bought from Kansas. That way, you know, it's a rebuild anyway, but you know, I'd rather not have to do it this way, but that's what's happening. All good, strong, green trees, you know? You wouldn't think, but 90-mile-an-hour winds minimum. They're saying that it was close to 100 in other areas right here by us. The old Comet made it out with no damage, very little damage, if any. And so did the Aloha. So we're thankful about that. I was able to go to Home Depot, big box store. I got the last generator that they had. Fortunately, when I built the house, I built it so that you could plug directly into the house. It's not going to run the whole house. It's a 6,500 unit, but it's gonna make us comfortable. I had, between my house and world headquarters, I had parked these two before they go to their homes, and that was I'd want to say a smart move, but that's just where I put them. And so they were protected because they were going east-west winds, and so they were right in here, no damage. So I don't know if I'm gonna tag this on the end of that Saturday one, or if I may just come in here and try to do something. I wanted to bring you up to speed because I promised you the big board, and I'm gonna take care of my family today, and then we'll get back to it, and I'll be back as soon as we get them settled. Thanks for watching.